Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can sign out from a Google Classroom. So here, all you have to do now, you can open a Google Classroom. So by click this apps icon at the top right corner of the screen, and here where you can access Classroom. So here, this is the home page. You can create class, you can join class here, or you can add a class to get started. And this is your archive class, and also this is the calendar, so you can add event here, add class in here beside your class. And this is the notification. Make sure you turn on this all notification and also class notifications. So here, this is for the first time, for you are the first time use this Google Classroom, and how you can sign out. Maybe you are using a public personal computer or someone laptop, so you need to sign out this Google Classroom. Just click your profile picture at the top right corner of your screen. Just simply sign out. So however, if you click this sign out, you will sign out for all Google account in your devices or in your PCs that you used. So feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click this button below. See you in the next video.